Hey folks, Jim from Salvinos J R Models, and like I said yesterday, the shipping has started. So I got in last night. I got the Richard Petty 1974 Daytona 500 winner. So let's take a look and see what's inside that charger kit. Alrighty, so let's take a quick look inside of this. So, like I said, it's the 1974 Daytona 500 Richard Petty Charger. So let's see. All right, there we go. There's that body in that Petty blue. Lots of parts in Petty blue. Round and squishy things are round and just slightly squishy. Man, it looks like my hands are on fire here. They shouldn't be that dark. Anyway, there's our clear parts. And our trees. Let me grab my my scalpel here and try to avoid taking off a digit. Okay, open bag over the box carefully because there is a metal axle that you don't want to lose. Okay, so there's our adjustable chassis. I'll have to look at the instructions. I believe that it's going to be on the second hole here from all the way closed. Check your instructions, but they start at hole number 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 1 is all the way closed. I think this is number 2. And there's a little peg that goes into there. All right, we got some of our engine parts here. There's our firewall or hood, exhaust. One of the arrow hammered out metal pieces for the arrow for the window. There's another one on one of the other pieces. You're going to end up painting those aluminum. There's our roll cage. And more of our roll cage. Our valence under the front bumper. I don't know which grill this one uses. Sorry, guys. Oh, I think we've got chromies on this. That's right. Because that was one of the things I think we were holding up on. Yep, there it is. One of the things that was holding up on this, aside from the boxes, was getting the chrome. Those of you who have complained about our metal chrome, you might be dancing naked in the yard on this one. We actually didn't go with our normal traditional chrome on this one because the plant that we have been using for years in Southern California, the state of California decided to close them down because there was a little filter that didn't wasn't up to par for the wonderful state of California. So you have the stuff that if you want to bleach this chrome off, you can bleach this chrome off. It'll come off. It's the normal vacuum metallized. So there you go on this one. You've got a win on this one. I don't know how many more we're going to do this way or not, but there you go. So that's a cheer for a few of you guys. I know a lot of you guys really do like the chrome, the metal chrome, because it is. Oops, I think I lost that axle. It is a better product. So and here are our decal placements. And it just has the one sheet, and there you go. Okay, so it is the day glow on it. I don't know why Rick calls that a basketball. That doesn't look like the roundness of a basketball to me. But you know what? If that's how he wants to go, that's good. It does, and you can if you want to paint. Yeah, I don't know why you'd paint your day glow. And then the sponsor contingency decals will go on top of the day glow. So there you go with our decal sheet. Nicely done, Mr. Kemp. Nicely done. So while this video is processing, I will be hunting around on the floor down below for that axle. It did fall out when I dropped the box. But you know what? I'm not going to be building that kit. You guys be careful with stuff like that. Occasionally, parts fall off the parts tree, and I have a plywood floor, so I'm going to be able to find it. You guys with carpet, you guys got to be careful, because if you don't find it with your eyes, you might just find it with your toes. That's not good. Anyway, so those are shipping. They are available on the web store, salvinosjrmodels.com, just like what you see below. No, that is not a hyperlink that you can click, but you can read it. Salvinos J R Models, and I'm going to have some other links to some videos on the back end for some of our other stuff. Check out our web store, of course, salvinosjrmodels.com. You can also go to the sale page if you want to save a couple bucks on some older kits. You know, they're a couple years old, but there's nothing wrong with them. You can save some money there. You can check out our new cars, obviously new kits like this, but our current 2025 next gen cars, our Indy cars. We've got stuff coming up for next year. I'm working on Ron Cap's funny car, so that'll be out next year. We're probably going to be doing some debut stuff on our first of our multimedia Lotus kits. That will be coming up in a few weeks. We've been working on that one for I've been working on that for about a year and a half. So that's coming up. So we're doing all sorts of stuff here. Check out the web store. Check us out here on Saturday mornings live at 9 a.m. Central. See what's going on in our world. And you can check us out on Facebook. Also, if you have a tendency to build a lot of models or want to build a lot of models, check out our Builders Club. The guys, there's as a rule, there's about 400 to 450 people coming and going in it. It's a great club. It's a great way to meet guys from all over the country, and we've got some international members. We have a special live video for just club members on Tuesday nights. Great extra deals. You can get your kits a little bit cheaper. You can get your a second kit that ships with your kit of the month every month. You can get a second kit, free shipping on that. You get free decals, stickers. It's a great thing. We've got guys that have been in that club since we started, and I think that's 4 years ago, maybe longer. Anyway, check that out. And once again, thanks for fulfilling the dreams of a couple old guys, Rick Salvino and myself. Check us out on Saturday mornings. You'll get to see and hear from the snake oil salesman himself. And sometimes we got our little friend in Phoenix. You might have heard of Mr. Lucas C., who's responsible for that sticker on the end here. So thanks for following Salvinos J R Models, building our kits, and here we go.